Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you disable System Integrity Protection SIP on Mac. To disable System Integrity Protection, you need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. To do this on a Mac that has M1 or M2, press the and hold the power button on your Mac until loading. Until loading startup options appear. Once you see the icon appears, you could select options to load and recovery mode. After selecting the option and proceeding into the recovery. To do this, an Intel-based Mac, restart your computer and hold down the Command plus R key simultaneously when you hear the boot stem. Once the recovery mode opens a terminal window from the Utilities drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Then type in the following prompt in the terminal windows, after which click on Enter or Return key, and you'll see a message card stating that System Integration Protection has been disabled and that the machine needs a restart to change to take effect. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.